Restoration time-lapse videos like this are exploding right now. One of the hottest viral niches online, with some creators crossing 100 million plus views just by showing powerful before and after transformations. Right now, these AI-generated time-lapse restoration videos are going insanely viral, millions of views. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to create your own cinematic restoration video step by step, using simple tools. And yes, you even create this on your phone using exactly same steps. And yeah, a lot of people used Grok, but now free access is gone. No problem. I found a simple, free way to do it. Stay till end to find out. Let's start. We need an image of the place we want to restore. As you can see, I've selected this one. Now open ChatGPT. From the left menu, click on Apps, and on the top right, you'll see GPTs. Click on that and search for Restoration Time-Lapse. Open it, and a new interface will appear. Next, click on the plus icon at the bottom. Upload your image and simply type Start. Within a minute, it will generate all the image prompts and video prompts for you, completely ready to use. Now let's generate the images. For this, we'll use Google Gemini. Click on Create Image, then go back to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt, and paste it into Gemini. And just like that, your first image is ready. Repeat the same process for the rest. Copy, paste, generate until all images are done. Finally, download all the images, and now we're ready for the next step. To generate smooth visuals for free, you'll need access to at least 2 Google accounts, because we will be using Google VO3 for our visuals, and it only allows 2 videos generation per day. First, open Google Flow. As I mentioned earlier, you'll need at least 2 accounts. Log in using any one account to start. Now, click on New Project, and your main interface will appear. From the bottom, click on Start and upload your first image. Then click on End and upload your second image. Once both are uploaded, make sure your settings match exactly as I'm showing. Also, choose your aspect ratio based on your platform, 9:16 for Reels or Shorts, and 16:9 for YouTube. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy your first video prompt, and paste it into Flow. Within seconds, your first video will be ready. Click on the 3 dots and download it. For the second clip, repeat the process. Upload the second image as Start and the third image as End, just like before. Copy the second video prompt, paste it into Flow, and your video will be ready in a few seconds. Download it again. Now, as you can see, the free credits for the day are used. No problem, simply sign out and log in using your second account. Follow the same steps again. This time, upload the third image as Start and the fourth image as End. Then, copy the third video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Flow. Your video will be ready in seconds. Download it from the 3 dots. For the final clip, upload the fourth image as Start and leave the End empty. Now copy the fourth video prompt, paste it, and your last video will be generated. Download it. And that's it. Now you have 4 video clips ready. Now you can use any editing app to compile them together. I'm using CapCut. Import all the clips we just created, place them on the timeline one by one, add a few smooth transitions, and that's it. Just export your video, and you're good to go. From one simple image to a viral cinematic restoration, all powered by AI, now it's your turn. If this changed the way you think about AI video creation, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. And check out my previous videos for more AI-related doubts and tutorials. This is just the beginning. Doctor meets AI, and we're building the future. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.